The system allows for multiple encoder configurations for the SRT connections. Click on Add Configuration to create a new encoder configuration. Add a name for the new configuration. Choose the desired bit rate, and choose constant or variable bit rate mode. Select Software Encoder, or GPU Accelerated Encoders. Select Profiles and Presets. Encoder tuning for content is also available. Check the Advanced Settings checkbox for more advanced encoder configuration. Click Create Configuration to save the new encoder configuration.